unbelievable drones equipped with LiDAR and thermal sensors glides beneath the palm canopy.
A high-speed inkjet printer applies a microscopic, food-safe RFID-enabled A specialized hammer sensor strikes the shell with a controlled force. A microphone records.
The verified coconuts are stored in a massive, vertical stainless steel silo to prevent any ambient heat from affecting juice up through the hollow needle. It flows into a transparent manifold.
Glazed nuts. This bifurcation of the production line shows the incredible efficiency of the modern factory. The raw juice enters a vertical centrifuge, spinning at 15,000 RPM. In less than 10 seconds, the juice temperature drops to a stable 2 degrees Celsius. This cold shock is vital for preserving. Electronic batch sealing. The raw, chilled juice enters a 50,000-liter mother tank.
The chilled juice enters a stainless steel vacuum chamber. This degassing process pulls microscopic oxygen bubbles. Regenerative heat exchange. To save energy, the 2 degrees Celsius juice is pumped past the 140 degrees Celsius sterilized juice coming out of the oven.
The juice enters a pressure drop chamber. The sudden expansion causes the temperature to plummet to 20 degrees Celsius.
If the natural sugar content is slightly off target, the blending brain adds a small amount of concentrated coconut water.
In quarts. The now sterile juice enters a 100,000-liter aseptic silo. The top of the tank is filled with
The packaging material dives into a deep vat of 35% concentrated peroxide.
Inside a Class 100 cleanroom chamber, a stainless steel needle.
The mechanical dance of the star wheel ensures that every single box can be identified from the outside once the pallet is built.
Automatic corner post application. 4 cardboard V-bars are applied to the vertical corners of the pallet by a specialized applicator. These act like the skeleton of the pallet.
Every batch is quarantined for 48 hours. During this time, the WMS will not allow the pallet to be shipped. This is the incubation phase.
These 20 pallets are the lifeblood of the company, representing 30,000 individual coconuts that were growing just 7 days ago.
This represents the time element of global trade. Thousands of miles traveled.
This instant financial settlement is the backbone of the modern, high-speed global trade network.